So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create social page campaign on Zoho CRM. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website, log into your account right here. Now select this profile icon and now select access Zoho CRM. Now select this settings icon right here. Now select Zoho. Now scroll down and click this Zoho campaigns manage button. Now select sync now and you will get on this page right here. After that select campaigns, select social campaigns, select create new button of page campaigns. Right here you have to give a name to your page campaign. After that connect your Facebook right here by selecting this button, and after that you will need to create your content right here by selecting this button right here. And after doing all of this you just need to select a save button which will come on right here or maybe right here. So that's how you guys can successfully create your social page campaign on Zoho CRM. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.